Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete sections in Squarespace. First things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account and pick the projects that we want to delete the sections from. Let's say I want to delete it from this website, so I'm gonna click on Go to Website and it will get me into this editor. Sorry. Here, as you can see, on the left side we have pages. I'm gonna click on the pages and you see each and every page that you have on this website. What we want to do is click on the edit button on top corner of your screen, and we're gonna click on edit, and let's scroll and find the precise page that we want to delete. Let's delete this one. You're gonna click inside of this page, and on the right side we have edit section. Then we can save the selection, duplicate it, move it up or move it down. We can't really move it down because this is just basic, that it's made for Squarespace and you can't really up it. So what we want to do is click on remove. Are you sure you want to remove this section? And then you hit remove. If you by mistake deleted the section that you didn't really want to, on top left corner we have undo button, and this undo button will bring it back. So it's not that permanent, you can always reverse the action. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.